thought I'd make a new video of my newest locomotive. It's a 4664 Broadway Limited Challenger, weighing in at about 2.5 pounds. I wanted to show how many cars it would tow. I've got 64 pieces of rolling stock hooked up to this guy, and they go on and on. Every piece I own, I'm going to see if this is going to pull them all. You see, it goes on and on and on and on, and way around the bend here. Looky there, around the ship. And there we go. Now let's see if this fellow will do it. Let me just walk back here, start her up. Start her up here. Let's find the controller here. What's happening? Looks like she's working, boys. Looks like she's working. Oh my goodness, where did I get all this stuff? Let's see if I can zoom there to the back end. Can you see where it ends? Over there somewhere. Alright, I guess that's a success. Just follow over here a bit. Smoking like a son of a gun. Alright. I guess that's about it. See you later, alligator.